How to fix WhatsApp storage full issue on iPhone. If your WhatsApp size is filled or is full and you want to clear this, you can do this in two different ways. These are simple things that you need to do so that your WhatsApp app will perform very well because there is no space on your device. So open the WhatsApp app on your device. Now it comes out like this. Tap on the U button at the base of this screen. Then once you tap on you, then tap on storage and data. From here, tap on manage storage. Once tap on manage storage, you have something like this. You can see that forward anytime is around 63 kilobyte, and the large file here around 1.44 gig. So tap on it to remove some of this button here. Then go ahead and tap on select button on top of the screen. Now that I've done that, then manually select each of these that you want to remove from this what is here. So just manually select some of them so that I'll be able to remove them from this place. So I will still manually select some of these and I will remove them from this place. So once you do that, you can see, then tap on the basket icon at the base of the screen. Then you see two options here: delete item, delete items, and any copy. So I think I'll go for delete item and any copy. Tap on that button, wait for that to be deleted. So with this, guys, you'll be able to free some space on your WhatsApp app on your device. The next thing is very simple as well. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon on your iPhone, or tap on the settings button, then scroll up and tap on general. Then under general, tap on iPhone storage. Or tap on iPhone storage, you have something like this. Then scroll up a bit until you have access to every app you have here. Then don't forget, tap on the WhatsApp again. Or tap on the WhatsApp, the first thing you have to do here is to be sure that you tap on this offload button. Or tap on the offload button. This will take this app from your device, but it will keep every data you have and store them on your device. Then tap on install again to install this app. So doing this, guys, will be able to fill some free space on your WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.